Hi, I'm Jaime Perkins, and this is my brother Erik Perkins. We are the Perkins Builder Brothers.
And in this video, we're going to be going over some of the LP SmartSide ExpertFinish accessories that can help you to finish your siding job quickly and have it look great in the end.
Today, we're going to be going over the outside corners, J-Blocks, and mini splits.
The first accessory we're looking at today are these J-Blocks, and they're a prefab with a built-in flashing, and they can be used to mount light fixtures, receptacles, or have mechanical terminations, and it's a quick and easy way to get a great fit and finish on your siding.
And here I've got the mini split, which is exactly like the J-Block with this special feature though that it can be separated with these built-in pocket screws so that you can put them around an existing termination of say a hose bib or something like that that already got installed and you don't feel like cutting the water line and making the plumber mad.
I want to say that the J-Blocks and the mini splits have saved us a ton of time while we're doing the siding job because it takes a lot of time to make one of these from scratch. You have to cut the piece, paint it, and then do a drip cap, install the whole thing. These are really a lot faster.
Not only is the mini split great for new construction when some of your subcontractors get ahead of you by accident, but it's actually really great for remodels too. When you're putting on new siding on an existing house, there's going to be lots of obstacles to go around, and this can help you get around it quickly.
Up next, we've got the ExpertFinish outside corner, which comes in a 4 and a 6 inch, and it's Jamie's favorite ExpertFinish accessory. Let him tell you why.
Well, for good reason. If you've ever tried to install a two-piece outside corner, you know it's next to impossible to get them lined up and sealed properly and make it look good.
And we found that the outside corners really save us a lot of time while we're doing the siding, and they really look great in the finish.
Another thing I love about all the accessories is that they come with the same wood grain texture as all the siding products, so that you don't mix and match different brands and end up with an off-looking combination of textures.
If you want more information about any of the LP SmartSide ExpertFinish accessories, head to lpcorp.com and they'll have everything you need to know there.